Today I'm making over a tea box with Paint Couture paint. Starting with an X so I know where the dead center is, and then I play around with the resin pieces until I get it just right. I really wanted that aged look, so I added crust to the edges of the top and the sides. I did 2 coats of opal green chalk paint to start with for the base. I was kind of going for a semi-neutral look, but I wanted the beautiful opal green undertones to come through all the details. And then I go in with a fine detail brush to get all the teeny micro spots. Dry brushing can really change the look. So I decided to dry brush Autumn Sage over the top and sides. I was really careful with how much went on because when you dry brush, you have to wipe all the excess off the brush so that the brush is dry. But it means that when you're doing a flat surface, you have to do many layers. So I did probably, I don't know, 5 to 10 layers of dry brushing, something like that. You just keep doing it until you are liking the color that you see. Then add 2 coats of the Dead Flat Topcoat to seal it in really nicely. And then I add the Vintage Lace Lux Metallic paint over the details once the top coat is fully dry. I also start with the edge on this. Whenever I have details and I need to paint the detail and I don't want to paint the object that the details are glued to or on, I very carefully with a fine brush paint the edges of all the details, and then I go in and paint the center.